In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download MetaMask. First, if you are using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. If you are on an iPhone or iPad, open the App Store. This initial step is crucial because these platforms are the official sources for downloading apps. You will see a search bar at the top of the screen. Here you can enter the name of the app you are looking for. This ensures you find the exact application you need without confusion. Next, in the search bar, type in MetaMask Meek Crypto Wallet. This is the official name of the app, and it is important to enter it accurately to locate the correct application. As you type, suggestions may appear below the search bar. Make sure to select the correct one that matches the name you entered. This will help you avoid installing any unofficial or potentially harmful apps. Once you find the MetaMask app, verify that it is published by MetaMask, which was formerly known as Consensus. This verification is vital to ensure that you are downloading the legitimate app. Look for the developer's name beneath the app icon. It should clearly state MetaMask. This small step is crucial for your security, as downloading unauthorized applications can lead to risks with your cryptocurrency. Now proceed to tap the install button if you are on Android, or get if you are using an iPhone or iPad. This action will initiate the download process. Depending on your internet connection, this may take a few moments. If prompted, authenticate your download. On Android, you may need to verify with your Google account. For iPhone or iPad users, you will likely need to use Face ID, Touch ID, or enter your Apple account password. This authentication step is important as it helps secure your account from unauthorized downloads. It ensures that only you can install apps on your device. After the app has finished downloading and installing, you will see an Open button appear. Tap on it to launch the MetaMask app for the first time. You may also find the app icon on your home screen or app drawer. This step is critical because it allows you to start using the app right away, setting the stage for your cryptocurrency management. When the app opens, you will be presented with the option to either create a new wallet or import an existing wallet. If you are new to MetaMask, choosing Create a New Wallet is the way to go. If you already have a wallet, select Import an Existing Wallet. This choice is essential as it determines how you will set up your MetaMask experience. Now, let's switch gears to the desktop version for Windows or macOS users. First, open a web browser of your choice. This could be Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Brave, as MetaMask supports all these browsers. Your browser will serve as the gateway to access the official MetaMask download page. Once your browser is open, go to the official MetaMask download page. You can do this by typing metamask.io into the address bar. This ensures you are accessing the legitimate MetaMask site. It is extremely important to avoid phishing sites that may look similar but are not trustworthy. On the MetaMask site, look for the button that says Get MetaMask. Clicking this will direct you to the appropriate download options for your browser. This step is crucial as it simplifies the installation process, guiding you through the correct setup for your specific browser. After that, select your browser from the options provided. Follow the prompts that appear to install the MetaMask browser extension. This process is typically straightforward and should take just a few moments. Once completed, you will see a confirmation that MetaMask has been installed. Finally, click the MetaMask extension icon that appears in your browser toolbar. Here, you will again choose to create a new wallet or import an existing wallet. Complete the setup by following the on-screen instructions. This final step is vital because it allows you to access your wallet and start managing your cryptocurrency securely. Remember to download MetaMask only from the official MetaMask website or your device's official app store. Never share your secret recovery phrase with anyone or enter it on any site other than the MetaMask app during wallet recovery. Anyone with your recovery phrase can access your wallet and funds.